Good morning, everybody. Sun is out. I am just outside the port, just trying to get my stuff squared away here. Woo, some rollers this morning. Well, the plan is today, probably head out to 8A or the party grounds. Oh my Lord, oh, it's so dirty. Oh man, I hate driving with a wet boat, especially through all that construction. Jeez. All right, well that's better. Oh, lovely. Oh, geez. Oh, it's so heavy. This is dangerous. Oh, boy. What am I doing? So, holy rollers. Well, I think this is where we're gonna start, guys. Whoops, if I can get my damn cursor to it. All right, waypoint, go to cursor. Well, I can't head that direction, so I think we'll just point 120 and then we'll cut over. No, all right, guys, we are gonna make the run, and it is a little choppy out. Trim tabs down. Woo! One to two, my ass. Oh, can't forget the safety lanyard, guys. Here we are. So we're actually past 8A right now. Oh, there's a sea turtle over there. We're actually past the 8A reefs. Actually headed out to the party grounds right now. I started trolling though because there was a storm right in front of us here. And it was raining all over here. So I was like, let me slow down and troll. Get back with you guys shortly. Well, I saw some fish. Looked like some bonitas. They were jumping on the surface. Actually, I think they're still back there. But they didn't bite on my lures, so we'll continue on. Still in this color change, which is good, man. Look how blue that water is, guys. Starting to see some birds too. What's water temp right now? 76. All right. Needed a little warmer, really. Well, we got something on. Oh, or is it gone? Oh no. Nope, he's still on there. What do we got, a bonita? Oh, don't swim into my prop. Yep. Well, I got bait. Shit. Ah, fucker. I'll just fling him in. All right. Autopilot set. And I'm just sitting up top. Control it. Wait patiently. Nothing better, man. No. Oh. Just hang out and wait. All right, what do we got on here, guys? Oh. Is it anything, or am I tangling myself? God, I hope not. Oh boy. Man, it's hard to drive the boat and fish. Whew. What is this, man? Oh. All right. I'm gonna have to fight it. Oh. Oh. What is that? I don't feel a head shake or nothing. Oh, I need my butt, my rod butt, jeez. I feel some head shakes now. What is it? That's the question. I got a lot of line out, man. What is it? What is it? Oh my God. Double duty here. God, I hope it's not another bonito. Oh, doesn't feel like it though. This is on a deep diver. Pretty big plug, so hopefully it's something decent. I guess I should get my gaff out, huh? Put it somewhere I won't stab myself. All right, I see a leader. All right, I feel confident he's in, close enough. He won't tangle with my other line, so we'll go into neutral. Oh. What is it? Another bonito. Nope, blackfin. Nice. Ooh. Woo! Oh, you fucker! Oh no! Oh, I need another person on the boat. All right, well, that's fishing, guys.